A line intersects the y and x axis at point P and Q respectively. If 2 comma minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ, then the coordinate of Q and P are respectively. So let us do this question with a diagram. You guys have to do a diagram. It will help a lot. So instead of writing given, do this. So we have 2 comma minus 5 is the midpoint. So which quadrant are we looking at? We're looking at, yes, fourth quadrant. Is it so? Yes, we are looking at fourth quadrant. Okay guys, say we consider the line to be something like this. So no, let me do a proper line, something like this. So what they're telling is we have a point P and Q. So this is Q, sorry, and point P. We don't know what is the coordinate, but we know that the midpoint of this, so the middle of this is 2 comma minus 5. So we have to figure out the point P and Q. How will we do this? What else do we know? Since the line is on the x-axis, so we have 0 and x as its coordinate, and this is 0 and y. Which is correct and which is wrong? Yes. Q is wrong. So this is x comma 0 and this is 0 comma y. So half the job is done. With this, we are pretty much done. Okay, yes, and the rest of it is just using midpoint formula and we are done. So we'll start off with the working, talking about as per section formula. So we are looking at x comma y being equated to x2m plus x1n divided by m plus n, and y2m plus y1n divided by m plus n. Close the bracket. So x comma y is 2 comma minus 5, and we have over here, oh yeah, before that I need to make it clear a few things. We don't have m and n value, so we'll tell as we'll just go with this 2 comma minus 5 is midpoint of PQ. M is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. Okay, and so 2 will be equal to x2 is, I'll take x2 as x itself, doesn't matter, plus 0, see we have x and 0 divided by 1 plus 1. So for the simplification, this is 2, so x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. And what else do we have? So we have y, which is minus 5, is equal to 0 plus y divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, simple calculation. This is 0 and y, so this is in the ratio of 1 is to 1. So therefore y is equal to minus 10. Okay, and so at the end of it we have P is 0 comma minus 10 and Q is 4 comma 0. That's it. Right, so let me show it off so that we can understand the concept clearly. So let me simulate this. So we are to enter the points. What are the points? I think they are 0 and minus 10, 0 and minus 10, and x is how much? 4 and 0, 4 and 0. The ratio is 1 is to 1. Okay, and yep, see. Okay, so we got the answer. If I compress it, it will be more practical actually. Now does it make sense? Okay, so yeah, this would be your answer. And always summarize your answers.